has finally come. We're getting spray foam. Now, I'll go ahead and say we're not gonna be doing the floors with spray foam because the framing I'm using for my subfloor is only 1/2 inch and spray foam comes out in 1 inch spray. So we're just gonna do foam board for the floors. But yes, it's happening. It's finally happening. Getting that prep work done. Once they get that done, which is the hardest part, the longest part, then they'll start doing the spray foam. Y'all wanna see it? All right, let's check it out. Alright, so we're getting closer to them actually getting in there. They're almost done with all the prep work. They're leveling out the hoses, as they say. I guess getting all the chemicals, spray foam, and the hose leveled out. So, fun. we're done. Oh, wow. Check it out. We are foamed up, people. We got it spray foam. All right, well, it took us a while, but we got it done. We're gonna go ahead and end it here. See you guys next week. Next week, we will be getting the floors done. Now, I said this earlier in the video that we were not gonna spray foam the floors because even at minimum spray, foams up to about 1 inch, and the framing of the floor is 1/2 inch. So they would have had to take a metal grinder. Oh yeah, all this shaving here that we see was shaved down with a metal grinder. Some serious foam. So yeah, they would have to shave 1/2 inch off this entire floor with a metal grinder. So yeah, we're not gonna do that. But more on that next week. We're doing floors, people. We're getting shit done.